BGSU students, as spring break is ending and you are returning to classes next week, I recognize that your Bowling Green experience is greatly impacted by the rapidly evolving COVID-19 situation. And it may have even impacted your student employment, housing accommodations, involvement in student life, let alone the countless opportunities that are afforded to you as a student of a comprehensive and residential university like Bowling Green. I'm especially thinking of our students who are graduating this spring semester. Unfortunately, you will not get to experience the memorable weeks leading up to the commencement on our campuses. However, at Bowling Green State University, commencement is the culminating celebration, and it's a milestone recognizing your hard work. But given Ohio's restrictions and CDC's recommendations, we must reschedule our 297th commencement ceremony for a later date this summer. While these events are delayed, they will not be canceled. The class of 2020 deserves the opportunity to celebrate this significant moment in their accomplishments, and Bowling Green plans to do just that at a later date. These are unprecedented times, but as a president and as a parent of a student who attends our university, and as a BGSU alumnus, I want to emphasize that we are here for you and we are working to make your student experience, while virtual, engaging and meaningful. Today, you heard directly from Provost Whitehead about our plans to assist you during your online learning. And I want to reinforce that each student will have a BGSU staff member connect with them, and they will be an additional contact with you for this period of time. I've asked the Career Center to reach out to every graduating student to follow up regarding their post-graduation plans. And we've also assembled a variety of resources on our website, including a Keep Learning page that will assist you with all of your online needs, including access to technology, support, and tutoring. Check it out at bgsu.edu/keeplearning. To our students who will be receiving a housing, dining, parking credit or refund, we are making progress. To not affect your financial status, we are waiting on guidance from the U.S. Department of Education. But please know this remains a very high priority. And also know that I am grateful for how our community has come together to overcome this difficult situation. And we need to continue to support one another. Your health and safety remain the university's top priority. I will communicate with you more as we make decisions in response to this situation. Please know we are in this together. Make sure you wash your hands often. I Ziggy Zumba.